Hey folks, AJ here. We're back at my famous workbench. Today we're highlighting the Tennes 2200 air control made by Hydro-Aire. It's available in white or bone. Okay, let's check out these dimensions to make sure you're ordering the right part. The diameter of the knob is 1 11/16 inches. The diameter of the threaded body that goes inside the tub wall is 1 5/64 inches. This knob is completely removable. If you wanted to order just the knob, you can. The link is below in the description box. The diameter of the threads in the knob is 25/32. The overall length of the knob is 2 inches. If you had to replace this knob in your tub, you're going to remove this lock nut here. We also recommend removing the knob itself because that stem is going to get in the way of your glue and pipe cleaner when you go to glue in your fitting or your pipe. This air control receives 1/2-inch PVC pipe. And that's everything you need to know about the Tennes 2200 air control assembly made by Hydro-Aire. Be sure to like and share our YouTube videos.